Hi guys, welcome with new video. In this video, I will help you how to fix Play Store pending problem. So here you can see. So first of all, click on your settings and click apps and notification. So after this, click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on Google Play Store. Click on force stop. Okay. And click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. After this, go back and click on Google Play Services. So click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. So after this, go back and scroll down and click on system. Click on reset option and click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Click on it and reset it. So after this, go back and click and hold on power button. So and click on restart. So after restarting, your Play Store will be fine. So hope you like this video. Please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.